Time. It's the most precious resource we have, yet it's often the most taken for granted. Today, let's talk about the importance of time in our lives and why every moment should be cherished. From the moment we wake up to the time we rest our heads at night, every second is a gift. It's an opportunity to create, to connect, and to grow. But how often do we find ourselves saying, "I'll do it tomorrow," or "there's always next time"? Time is relentless. It moves forward, never backward. Once a moment is gone, it's gone forever. Wasting time is like wasting a part of our lives that we can never get back. Think about the moments that define us, the milestones, the achievements, the precious memories with loved ones. These moments are fleeting. They remind us that life is a collection of experiences, and it's up to us to make them count. So, how do we make the most of our time? It starts with being mindful and intentional. Set goals, big and small. Prioritize what truly matters. Every day is a blank page. Fill it with purpose and passion. Invest your time in what brings you joy and fulfillment. Spend it with the people you love. Pursue your passions and dreams. Give back to your community. Every action, no matter how small, shapes the legacy we leave behind. When we look back on our lives, it's not the material possessions we remember, but the moments we lived fully. The time spent creating memories, building relationships, and making a difference. Time is our most valuable currency. Spend it wisely. Cherish it. Live in the present. Embrace every opportunity. And never take a single moment for granted. Because in the end, it's not about the number of breaths we take, but the moments that take our breath away. Make your time count. Thank you for watching. If you found this video inspiring, please like, share, and subscribe for more motivational content. And remember, every moment is a gift. Make it count.